everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are gonna see how to change Google account name on Android. So you have to go to any on one of the Google services and then tap on the top right to go to your profile. And then you have to go to your manage Google account option. And here you will find the personal info. Now here you can find the name of the account. So tap on name and here Google will verify if it is the one you are trying to log in. And once verifying, you can go to the name option in here. And here you can change your name, first name and last name from here. Once you're done editing, just tap on the save option in here and you can thus change your Google account name. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.